What's up, you beautiful creative people? Scott Markowitz here. I'm the Director of Post-Production for Contrast Creative Agency and author of The On-Camera Cure. I'm helping you, the heart-centered self-starter, to build visual skills, become more creative, and break out of your shell so you can edit yourself and change your world. On this channel, I serve up tutorials, workflow strategies, I share product reviews, and I get you thinking in new ways. And hey, if you're brand new and need some help coming out of your shell, there's a link below to guide you to the On-Camera Cure. That's my course to help you become comfortable on camera, even if you're an introvert, and freeze up like a popsicle when you have to talk to groups of people. Let's just zap into my trusty Mac and I'll show you how to edit yourself.